Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Family Resort 6BR Home Private Pool, Hot Tub and BBQ. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, free parking, family rooms and a non-smoking rooms. Family Resort 6BR Home Private Pool, Hot Tub and BBQ is located in Davenport and offers a fitness center and a tennis court. The air-conditioned property is 25 miles from Lakeland. The vacation home is fitted with 6 separate bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with a dining area and dishwasher, and a living room with a flat-screen TV. Towels and bed linen are offered in the vacation home. The vacation home has a playground. Guests can spend time in the water park or enjoy the outdoor swimming pool at Family Resort 6BR Home Private Pool, Hot Tub and BBQ. Orlando is 24 miles from the accommodation, while Kissimmee is 12 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Orlando International Airport, 22 miles from Family Resort 6BR Home Private Pool, Hot Tub and BBQ. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.